Having trouble with Walmart not accepting cash? Here are some quick steps to resolve the issue. First of all, verify if the store is temporarily cashless. Visit Walmart's website or call the store to check if there are any temporary policies in place that restrict cash payments. Look for signs at the entrance or checkout areas indicating cashless operations. If cash is usually accepted, speak to a store manager. Politely ask a store associate to speak with a manager about the issue. Explain your situation and ask if there are any alternative solutions, such as using a self checkout machine that might accept cash. Consider alternative payment methods if necessary. If cash is not an option, use a debit or credit card or consider using Walmart Pay through the Walmart app. If you don't have a card, ask if you can purchase a Walmart gift card with cash at the customer service desk.